Fort Worth is booming, but if you don't set up your LLC the right way from the start, you could run into legal issues, missed tax savings, or paperwork delays that cost you real money. So in this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, what to file, where to do it, and how to avoid the common rookie mistakes. Now, interestingly, most people mess up on the very first step, and it's something that you'd probably expect to be super simple to do. More on that here in a second. First, let's examine why Fort Worth is a great place for an LLC. Fort Worth just hit over 1 million residents, growing faster than Dallas and making it one of America's hottest cities for new businesses. That kind of momentum means more potential customers and local buying power. Add Texas's low taxes and Fort Worth's lower rent and living costs, about 16% below Dallas, and your startup dollars stretch even further. Plus, local programs like the Fort Worth Business Assistance Center, they offer free help, so building your dream here is more accessible than ever. But next here, let's dive into the first real step, which is picking the perfect LLC name for your Fort Worth business. But before we dive in too deep, here's one thing to keep in mind. So starting your business, it should be exciting, not overwhelming. But forming an LLC on your own, that can get confusing fast with all the legal forms, rules, and easy to miss details. Now, I will walk you through everything in this video, but if any part of this feels too confusing, I've got a favorite LLC formation service that makes the whole process super simple and stress-free. It's guided, beginner-friendly, and it only costs $39. So if you hit any bumps along the way in the video, just click right up here to get help step by step in setting up your LLC the easy way. So let's get back to the name here. So naming your LLC is more than just, picking something catchy. It's about setting yourself up for smooth sailing later on. Texas requires your business name to be totally unique from other registered entities, which means that you can't just tweak the spelling and hope for the best. You'll also need to add LLC or limited liability company to the end of your name as well. And once you're ready to actually check your name's availability, head over to the Texas Secretary of State's search portal and run your idea through it, which, by the way, is linked to below, along with every other resource that I mentioned in this video. Now, if the name's taken, don't panic. Sometimes a quick word swap or local twist is all it takes to get approved. And if you want to snag your perfect name before you actually launch everything else, you can reserve it for up to 120 days by filing a quick form and paying a $40 fee. This is especially handy when you're still kind of finalizing your business plan or waiting on other paperwork. Now, next up, now that you've locked in the name, let's assume you have, let's tackle the registered agent, right? This is a step that can either protect your privacy or create some really surprising headaches. Every Texas LLC must have a registered agent, which is basically the person or company that legally accepts the important notices and documents for your business. Now in Fort Worth, you can act as your own registered agent if you're over 18 and have a local address. But keep in mind, your personal address then becomes public and you have to be available during all business hours. If you travel, work odd hours, or just want more privacy, those rules can get really inconvenient fast. That's why so many LLC owners, including myself, prefer registered agent services. So personally, my preferred provider is Northwest Registered Agent. They're really known for their strong privacy protections, excellent customer support, and straightforward pricing. If you hire them to help form your LLC, the cost is only $39, which is lower than a lot of competitors. And get this, you can use their business address on your public filings, keeping your own address private and cutting down on spam mail and just keeping your privacy in check. Now, if you want to check them out, go ahead and click right up here to learn more. But a good registered agent, it keeps your business running smoothly behind the scenes and frees you up to do, the important things, which is actual growth. So now that the paperwork's rolling, let's talk about officially filing your LLC so Fort Worth recognizes your new business. Now it's time to make your business official. So in Fort Worth and all of Texas, this step is called filing your certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. This is the legal move that creates your LLC on paper and unlocks all those liability protections and perks. The form asks for a few key details, so your LLC name, your street address, registered agent info, and whether the company is managed by its members or owners or by designated managers. You also have to list the names and addresses of the people or companies that are running things. There's no anonymous, shell company vibes type here allowed. Now, most people file online for speed, but you can mail in the paperwork if you prefer as well. To be clear, this isn't a, go back and fix it later type of form. So double check everything for typos and accuracy. The state charges a one-time $300 filing fee, so definitely make it count. And once that's approved, you'll officially have the green light to start operating your Fort Worth LLC. So let's keep it rolling. After the paperwork here, there's one more document that can save you massive headaches down the line. It's called your operating agreement. An operating agreement is your LLC's playbook. It spells out how your business is run, who owns what, how profits get split, and what happens if someone wants out. While Fort Worth and Texas doesn't require one by law, having this document helps prevent ownership drama and is often needed to open a business bank account or attract investors. Your agreement should cover core basics like management structure, voting rights, capital contributions, and ownership percentages. Even if you're running the show solo, banks and partners will look for this document before taking you seriously. And if your business setup is straightforward, you may not need a lawyer to create a solid agreement, since there are tons of free templates online and AI platforms that can really walk you through the whole process step by step. Just customize for your needs and make sure that every member signs it and keep it with your business records. All right, let's step into one last government hoop, which is getting your EIN, which is basically a social security number for your Fort Worth LLC. Now in Fort Worth, you'll need an EIN if your LLC has more than one member, hires employees, or files special tax returns. Most banks won't even let your LLC open a business bank account without one, and it's a smart way to really separate your personal and business finances. And the good news here, it's free and super fast. Just head over to the IRS online portal, fill out some basic info, and you'll have your EIN in minutes. And if you prefer, you can fax or mail in the form, but most folks go for the digital route. This step isn't just paperwork either. It sets you up for tax filing, payroll, credibility with vendors, and keeps you protected from identity theft. All right, so now that you're official with the IRS, let's look into making sure that you stay compliant with what the state requires. Once your Fort Worth LLC is up and running, staying compliant is an annual commitment. Every Texas LLC must file a public information report, or PIR, and a franchise tax report each year. These reports are due by May 15th. Mark the date, because missing it can trigger late fees, penalties, or even put your business at risk of losing its legal status, which is no good. And to be clear, even if your LLC made no money last year or falls below the $2.47 million franchise tax threshold, filing is required to keep your business in good standing. The PIR covers basic info: your business's mailing address, principal office, who runs the company, and your registered agent details. Keep this information up to date, especially your registered agent and principal address, so that you never miss critical legal or tax notices. Both filings can be done online for free, and most LLCs handle it themselves or use their registered agent to keep things simple. Staying on top of these reports means that your Fort Worth LLC remains protected, reputable, and legally compliant year after year. And if compliance, ever feels tricky, services like Northwest Registered Agent, they do offer reminders and filing help to make things go smooth. All right, so ready for the final step here? Let's wrap things up with a quick summary of the total costs that you can expect so you're never taken by surprise. All right, so we'll begin with the startup cost. So for the first year, the Texas Certificate of Formation, this is required $300 one-time state filing fee. Registered agent service, this is optional but highly recommended, so $39 if you elect to use Northwest Registered Agent. This covers help actually forming your LLC, plus a year of free registered agent service. Then we have the name reservation, which is optional, $40 to reserve your LLC name for up to 120 days. And local Fort Worth permits and licenses, this varies by business type, but plan for $50 to $500 depending on your industry and location. Most Fort Worth business owners, they can spend usually between $350 to $500 in the first year to get their LLC up and running, and local permit fees and customization options can tip that range higher for certain industries. All right, so ongoing costs. So each year, what you can expect, right? So registered agent service renewal, if you use Northwest Registered Agent, it's $125 per year to stay compliant. Then the franchise tax or public information report, that's $0 if your annual revenue is under 2.47 million, but more than that if it's, that high or higher. Local permit and license renewals, it's usually $0 to like $200, depending on your, type of business and the required city or county licenses as well. This one's a tough variable. It just depends on the business. Most LLCs in Fort Worth will pay roughly $125 to $350 per year to stay in compliance, renew local permits, and keep their registered agent active. Now, again, to help with all of this, I do advise you to use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which again, you can click right up here to check out, as they'll really help you stay in compliance year after year while you focus on the most important thing, which is running a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about the process, no problem. Go ahead and drop me a comment below. I actually check my comments, and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.